Okay, let's just dive right into this. You want to make money online, right? But literally every guru out there tells you that you need thousands of dollars or some fancy computer science degree to get started. Well, they're lying. Welcome to today's explainer, where we are cutting straight through all that noise. We're going to look at exactly how complete beginners, people with zero technical background, are using AI to generate real, actual income right now. Let's be brutally honest for a second. You are exhausted from that daily commute. You're working a job that barely pays the bills, and you're just feeling completely stuck. And to make it worse, every time you open your phone, there's some tech bro screaming at you about crypto or drop shipping. It feels impossible, doesn't it? You feel broke, you feel confused, and honestly, you just want a way out that actually makes sense without needing a PhD to understand it. But then I found this. I made my first $100 using AI without any coding skills. Just take a second and let that sink in. This isn't some fake photoshopped screenshot. This is a real, complete beginner on Reddit. No coding, no confusing buzzwords, just someone who found a system that actually worked for them. So, here is the massive shift we need to talk about. The old way of making money online, it was honestly a trap. You just lost your hard-earned money on overcrowded, hyped-up trends. But here is the absolute truth about this whole AI discovery. AI does not magically print money for you. It's not going to do all the work while you sleep. But what it does do is completely destroy the confusion that holds beginners back. It tackles the blank pages, the tedious setups, so your actual effort finally translates into cash. We've scraped the data and boiled the whole thing down to three simple, realistic ways that complete beginners are making money with AI right this second. We're talking zero technical experience, no massive audience needed, and definitely no huge startup capital. Ready? Let's get into method number one. Method one is AI content creation. Look, businesses are absolutely desperate for content, but they have zero time to actually make it. And that is exactly where you step in. You can use free tools like ChatGPT to draft blog posts or CapCut to edit short-form videos almost instantly. You literally drop in the raw footage, the AI generates the captions, and boom, you're done. The real secret here? You are selling the final result, not your time. Moving on to method two, and honestly, I love this one. It's AI automation. Think of yourself as a digital plumber. Local businesses like your neighborhood gyms or cafes, they're losing leads every day because they track everything on messy paper trails. Using super simple no-code platforms like Zapier, you can connect their apps and set up a basic 24/7 AI chatbot. It might take you a single weekend to learn how to do this, but to them, it looks like absolute magic, and they will gladly pay you a monthly retainer just to keep those digital pipes flowing. And that brings us to method three, vibe coding. This is wild because the barrier to building software has just completely collapsed. With new AI platforms, you literally just type out your vibe or your idea in plain, everyday English. You just type, hey, build me an appointment tracker for a local dog groomer. The AI goes and writes all the code for you. You can build a custom mini app over the weekend without typing a single line of actual code yourself, and then charge clients a monthly subscription to use it. It's a total game changer. 500. Just forget all the internet hype for a second. If you take away anything from this explainer today, please let it be this. Do not aim for $10,000 your very first week. That is exactly how people get burnt out and fail. Your realistic, data-backed target for the first 30 days should be $500 to $1,000 a month. That is still life-changing money for a lot of people, and more importantly, it is entirely within your reach. This right here is what actually winning looks like starting out. Forget the Lamborghinis and private jets. A real win is landing your very first local client. A small win is getting paid $30 on Fiverr to edit a quick 60-second video using CapCut. Or maybe it's just getting 10 users to pay you $5 a month for that simple app you vibe coded. These small wins are absolutely crucial because they prove to you that the system actually works. And once you know it works, then you scale. Now, I've got an absolute truth bomb for you. Ben Thurlby, who's an AI researcher, recently said something fascinating. The best AI side hustles in 2026 might be genuinely boring. Seriously, think about that for a second. The real money isn't in launching the next flashy, viral AI trend. It's in the plumbing. It's in fixing unsexy, everyday business problems. Automation, bookkeeping, scheduling. Be boring. Because boring is reliable, and reliable is what consistently pays the bills. So here is the twist that all those viral gurus try to hide from you. AI is not going to make you a millionaire overnight. It's just not a magical lottery ticket. But it is the ultimate starting line. It completely destroys your excuses. It removes all those frustrating technical barriers that used to stop you dead in your tracks. It literally puts a full creative and technical team right there on your laptop, just sitting there waiting for your instructions. Which brings us to one final very real question. You know the tools now, you know the methods. The gap between just thinking about it and actually earning your first dollar online is smaller today than it has ever been in human history. So, what's it going to be? Are you going to start today or are you going to stay stuck? The choice is entirely yours. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you in the next one.